Thank you all, and presentation on electrical was to be presented by Sandhya, but she is attending other meeting with the EV task force. So one more presentation is left now, that is on front desk, and on behalf of front desk team, I will be presenting. I think my presentation is visible. Yes, Bharat. Thank you. So I will be presenting on behalf of front desk team, along with Dr. Saptrishi, Dr. Matthew John, Mr. Srinivasu Kavla, Dr. Racha Arundhati and me. Team front desk has been bridging gap among different activities of CRDC. And let us relook on the objective of front desk to form up MOU, MOA, NDA and collaborative projects in consultation with legal department to form up on scale of activities for commercial trials or joint development work with potential partners, to coordinate with SBUs or external agencies along with CRDC scientists during project conceptualization and commercialization, to coordinate with patent attorney on patent filing grant, payment and keep track on patents life cycle, to keep track of developments in emerging and conventional research areas and circulate information on quarterly basis to CRDC. During 1st April 2021 till date, out of 122 total MOUs, agreements, NDAs and collaborative projects of CRDC, 12 numbers have been vetted by legal. 3 numbers legal cases have been vetted by and signed for NPCL and Vatica. 4 numbers authorization for filing patents or patent attorney forms have been signed. And with regard to commercialization, K-model and high efficiency stove have been launched by CRDC during this financial year. Regarding collaboration, Aspentech collaboration, ED committee note has been signed with in BPCL. Legal team of Aspentech is examining the agreement, and in next month a joint webinar and a global presentation is expected to be conducted. And regarding DWC, a collaborative agreement has recently been signed with EIL for licensing and marketing of this technology globally. Additionally, I would like to inform you that BPCL has signed an NDA for developing and commercialization of CO2 separation from flue gas streams using adsorbent based technology. Once it is developed, it will be marketed in refineries and thermal power generation units. And 2 patents have been granted in this financial year, and 3 patents have been filed. In total, out of 149 patents filed by CRDC, 80 have been granted. At the bottom, patents granted and filed during last 10 years in the industry have been shown. Figures are self-explanatory. And the expectation on sharing or updation of information regarding commercialization, SBU coordination, NDA, MOU, business development opportunity and IP management, front desk can be contacted, and vice versa. Thank you friends, and we'll now take break for 10 minutes.